We are pleased to show you the 2025 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, convertible hardtop, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires, front, on-off road, tires, rear, on-off road, fog lamps, front license plate bracket. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.